In this screencast, we'll follow up from our previous ones where GemStone is installed on a Slicehost system, and now we're going to install Apache. We'll start by logging in. Here's the SSH command to do so, or I have a shortcut, an alias in Linux that allows me to just say slice. So now I'm logged into my Slicehost server. We'll install Apache. There's a number of components here, and we'll go ahead and do that installation. Since install is an alias for sudo, we'll need to give a password for that. So here we have a number of components that are being downloaded, unzipped, and installed. So these are fairly complete Apache for at least the things that we know we'll need. Now we should be able to take this address, and since I have slice as a name in my hosts, I can open a new tab and just put slice in, and now I see that it works. So that page is actually being served by my Slicehost server. Now we need to get FastCGI. FastCGI is available as source and needs to be obtained, and then it will do its own make. And so we'll have a make, and then when that's finished, we should have FastCGI available. Now we'll create a file that will load FastCGI. We'll enable it as a component later. So here we're going to set up so Apache can load it. Then we'll set up an include file. So this is now part of the sites that are available. Now we're going to create some directories, set some permissions. So these are directories that will be used by GemStone. Now we want a config file that will be our GemStone config file. So here's the location we want it. So we'll open this as a new file, and then we'll go to insert the number of lines here. It's a fairly long piece that needs to be installed, but this is our Apache configuration. Now we'll enable some components, enable the site, and restart Apache. Now this will be a new home page that's going to be installed in our new web server directory. And so we should be able to go back and refresh, and now we have the new home page listed. So let's set up some environment variables for GemStone, and then start GemStone. And when GemStone is started, that's actually starting the database. Now we want to start a series of gems that will be listening on ports from FastCGI. So now Apache has some gems to talk to, and notice also there's a maintenance gem. So now we're looking at the home page, and then if we click on the link, notice the address shows Seaside. And so now we are running Seaside through Apache on our server. So that concludes our installation of Apache.